Hi friends, thanks for coming back. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Coach Carolyn. I make videos on healthy recipes as well as do restaurant reviews if they're a healthier restaurant. I also just finished up a body transformation series. If you missed that, click on the link above to check it out. In this video, I feature a product by Tattooed Chef. It's organic, non-GMO zucchini that is spiralized. The issue that I'm having right now is that I can't find it in my Costco in Washington State. So if it's in a Costco near you, please let me know, comment below, and if not, then get on Facebook, find Tattooed Chef, and send them a private message letting them know you'd really like to see this back in Costco. I appreciate your help with this, and until then, let's get into the recipe. Here are the noodles that I was talking about. They're organic, non-GMO. And this is olive oil that I'm putting here in the pan. And I really like a generous amount. Onions and garlic sauteed. Who does not love onions and garlic? It is one of my favorites and it smells so good. Then we've got some mushrooms that we're adding to this saute. Do you like mushrooms? Comment below and let me know. Okay, the zucchini's already spiralized and it comes in a ball, those little nests, and then you just put it under the lid to steam it. And then they just kind of fall apart. And this here is the best on the shelf spaghetti sauce that I have found. I love it. If you're vegan, you could just stop there and have it, without the chicken, or I made the little tenders because those cook fast. It's really good, really hot, really good though. It looks like mush, but it's delicious. Hit the subscribe button and I'll see you next week.